In this video, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer with your friends on crafting and building. So the first thing that you and all of your friends need to do is you need to sign into an account on crafting and building. So let me show you guys how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go to the main menu of crafting and building. Then you want to press on settings. Then in the left menu, you want to select on account. And if you haven't already signed in, then you're going to see a button that says sign in, and you want to go ahead and just press on that option. And then afterwards, you are able to create an account from scratch. Now, you could use a pre-existing Gmail address if you already have one. So if you already have an email that you consistently use, you could just use that and it is going to make the account process faster. But if you don't have one, do not worry, because you're able to make an account completely from scratch. And the good thing about crafting and building is that they actually walk you through the process step by step. So it is incredibly easy, and I also did make an in-depth guide showing you how to do it as well. So the point is, you and all of your friends who want to play together need to sign in on crafting and building before you guys are able to actually play together. So anyways, once you and your friends have signed in, then you guys are good to go. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just load into any Minecraft world like you normally would. Alright guys, so here I am in my Minecraft world. So now let me show you how to invite your friends. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu. You want to press on this pause button. Then you're going to see a social tab over here. So just press on it. Then you want to press on invite to game just like so. And then what you want to do is you need to add the people you're trying to play with as a friend on build and create. So what you want to do is you want to press over here where it says add a friend. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and search up their gamer tag over here. You could also share this QR code so that they're able to add you. So you need to type in their name, and then afterwards you guys are able to go ahead and play together. Then after you guys done that, your friends will appear in this list, and you just got to select on their name, then press on send invite, and then all your friend needs to do is they need to accept your invite, and then afterwards you guys will be able to play multiplayer together completely for free. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.